Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will unbox another new mobile of Samsung, and the model number is M31. So I have got the package like this, and I purchased it from Amazon. So let's start unboxing. Let me cut it through here. So this is the mobile Samsung M31, and it is a sealed pack here and here, as you can see. And you can see the specification here, like 64 megapixel quad camera, and it has a 6000 mAh battery and a 15-watt fast charger and super Amoled display. So this is a 8GB and 128GB variant. RAM is 8GB and ROM is 128GB. And this is the box. So let's open it. Okay, so let's keep it here and let's put it here. So we are getting a 15-watt fast charging with its box. As you can see, it's written here, it's a 2 ampere output, and we are getting a USB to Type-C cable to charge this device. And there is no SIM eject pin is present. It is really strange because with every set we are getting that. So nothing is there. Oh, I think it's here. There is the box. Yes, here is the SIM eject pin, and some documentation paper is inside. So let's keep it there. And so this is how it looks like. The color is blue, and it's written like 128GB as it is mentioned here. And there is a quad camera system in back of the mobile, and it is 64 megapixel camera. So let's open this one. This is how it looks like. Really nice blue color. So let's start it. So now I need to set up this mobile. So there is some customization I need to do to avoid all the ad which is coming on the lock screen, and like setting up the Gmail and Wi-Fi. So this is it for unboxing, and now I will set up the whole phone. So see you next time guys with another new mobile or any new device. Take care guys, bye bye.